Hi guys, welcome back to my bubble, and in today's video I have a mukbang for you guys. So as I mentioned in my last video, I think I mentioned it in my last video or in my other last video, my mom is in town. She's been here for a week now, and you best believe your girl's been eating real good because she's been in the kitchen non-stop. Okay, but today I actually helped her. So we have some pepper steak. It's not a lot. Well, yeah, that kind of is a lot. Some pepper steak with peppers. Duh. Pepper steak with peppers. Right? I've been saying the dumbest shit. Anyways, pepper steak, a little bit of salad, and some like mixed rice. I made the rice. She made the salad and the meat. And to accompany that, we are having a Snapple iced tea. Let me try to adjust you guys a little bit because my head is coming off. Let me see. All right, is that better? Maybe I should push that back. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold the plate because my setup, as always, is just no good. How have you guys been? I got home from work like an hour ago, so excuse the mess. I look a little bit bland and blah, but you know, it's good. It's good. My mom's cooking the best. I mean, it's both of us, but still, the meat is the star of the show because of course she made it. So this was supposed to be a taco mukbang because yesterday was Taco Tuesday, but I did something really stupid. So I tell my mom it's Taco Tuesday when I'm at work, so she kind of started prepping, you know, so we can make it together. But then my stupid ass goes and eats pho after work. So when I got home after eating pho, I was like hella full and I couldn't really eat the tacos, like. And then she made this today and I wasn't really in the mood for tacos, so there's like tacos left over in the fridge and I probably won't even eat any. It'd be like that. So if you hear noises, again, everybody's upstairs. The kids, the babies, my mom, the dog, everybody. And I'm down here trying to get some peace and quiet, but that's impossible. You guys, Thanksgiving is next week. What are y'all doing? What are y'all cooking? I'm working that day, but I get off early, so, and my mom is gonna be here. Well, hopefully. I think she is. So she's gonna help cook. It's always a great thing. So I know I said I wasn't really in the mood to do anything, but I don't know, just having her here changed a lot of things. Also, who's ready for Christmas? Like, you guys, I'm so excited for Christmas, and not just like to get gifts or to give gifts. I'm more so excited to decorate. Like, that's how you know I'm getting old. You Guys, I've been going ham on the decorations. Like, literally, I am so excited to put up the tree, to just decorate the house. And I've been going shopping, which, by the way, I have a haul, a Christmas decorations haul coming up for you guys. So if you're interested in that, comment down below and let me know, because I know a lot of people like that stuff. I personally like to watch those types of videos. So let me know so I can show you what I bought and what it's gonna look like around here. I introduced my mom to Ross, you guys. In New York, we don't have a Ross. We have Marshalls and TJ Maxx and Burlington, but we don't have a Ross. She loves it. Like, the same way I felt about it when I first got introduced to it, that was her. She loves it. I've bought so much crap. It's not even funny. And it's crazy because I was never like a homey type of person, like a let's decorate the house type of person. I mean, I guess because I've always lived with my mom and I always left that up to her. Like, she always did the decorating her way. I didn't really care about it. But now that I'm not with her no more, I guess it intrigued me, it interests me. You know, there's so many beautiful ideas, so many beautiful things out there. So I kind of want to turn it homey, you know. So just to give you a little bit of an idea, in case I don't do the haul, because you guys are funny with stuff like that. Yeah, I just want to see like mukbangs and burps and shit. My theme is Winter Wonder Glam. Not land, glam. Again, sorry for the noise. Who has their tree up yet? Comment down below. Who started decorating already? Comment down below. What's your theme? What are your colors? I'm intrigued. I want to know. Did I eat too fast? No, I don't think so. I'm so hungry. Oh, I'm always hungry. Mama's here. She's, oh my god, she's great. Like, she does the most. Like, she's one of those that can't stay still. Like, she wants to do your laundry, she wants to cook for you every day, she wants to clean your whole house, she wants to take care of the kids, she wants to do it all. And I'm like, You hear that? I'm like, Mom, you're not a fucking housekeeper. Like, hello. Chill, relax, put your feet up. Fart. Wait. Another one. Oh, those are silent. I'm sorry, you guys. Sorry. This is good. I don't feel too full. I don't feel too empty. I'm good. Imagine I did that on the first date. That guy's gonna be like, girl, you're a pig. Can never finish it. Anyways, you guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.